Hello everyone and welcome back to Ch.21. We're picking up right where we left off. Hopefully we're not too overexposed here. As far as the picture that is. Continuing our Dallas Road waterfront walk here on Fonyo Beach. I'm going to head down there to the shoreline and I'll be right back with you. Okay, again it's very windy. Hopefully you can hear me. Otherwise I may have to do a voiceover. Welcome to another chapter. Just as I came down here, a bunch of people came down. So we're going to try to walk along. I'm going to walk a little bit less in this walk. So this area to the right with the cement walkway is Holland Point Trail. I believe I got that right. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down and just watch some of these waves roll in. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on the other side of this log, and maybe the log will act as a buffer. Sit down on this rock. Sure hope the exposure is okay on this. No, that's all right. Hi. We're at 4-minute mark. Do a little bit more walking here. Normally I would walk along here, but as you might be able to see, the water is right up to the rocks. So we're going to go up onto the walkway, the Holland Point walkway up here behind me. Lost track of time a little bit. So we've left Fonyo Beach. And I think what I might do to get up to this walkway here to the right, that takes you back up to the Dallas Road Waterfront Trail. We've been trying to do the coastline as much as we can. As you can see, there's even some cement walkways down there, but I don't think I'm going to risk that because waves are pretty wild today. So I think on that note, I'd like to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time on Walks to Unwind, everyone. Take care. Bye.